what I'm going to show you how to do is make a key work in a Kwikset lock. I bought these Kwikset locks. They were online. They were real cheap. If you buy them in the store, they're not so cheap. But the Kwikset is the smart code or smart lock, where if you have the key, you can rekey them by using this smart key. But you have to have a key that works. And I bought 3 of these, came without keys. Or the one that came had keys that didn't work. Okay, what I want to do is rekey it to my house key. So I have a house key right here, and we're going to key it to that. So what we want to do is take out the key part, and it's fairly simple. You have to remove this E-clip that's holding this piece in. And I'm working on top of my computer. I guess that's my workstation. There it goes. Okay. As I take the parts out, I'm going to lay them in order in that sequence. E-clip. That's just a spacer. Okay, now what's holding this in is this little spring right here. And it comes out pretty easy. Okay, now that's just falling out. I've got to take these 2 apart. And you can see right here what's holding this is these tumblers. I think that's what they're called. Got to be able to hold on to this thing. This will just slide off if you get these tumblers pushed. Out of the way. There it goes. Okay, and if you look at how this goes, all these little windows, they all face forward. Okay, now this is what's keeping the lock from opening. This whole top section will come off, and I don't want to lose the parts. I'm going to turn this over and lift this off. Okay, right there you can see the tumblers in there. They're all set. Okay, this is the key. This is what is going to allow you to rekey this lock. And I'm pushing these all to the same. You see these little teeth? These will come out, and I know if I take them out, they're hard for me to put them back in. They're little pieces of steel. Take one out just to show you, just in case you drop it and you have to put them back together. My hands are too big for this. Okay, here it is. I don't know if we can focus in closer. You see all these little teeth. That's the key to this Kwikset system. Wow, I got that in without too much effort. Okay, now that I have this, these are all lined up evenly, I'm going to take this part, and you see there's a little spring. I'm going to kind of hook it this way and push it back together. Okay, none are protruding. I'm going to take my house key and slide it in. Okay, now you see those came up. We're going to have to pull this apart. Let's do it this way. Pull it apart again. My key is in. These are all going to be pushed back now, so none are sticking up. Now we reassemble it. I'm going to hook that spring, push it together. Okay, now none of these pins, this is the magnetic one, none of the pins are sticking up. Okay, once I have these little teeth all in line, my key is in there. We're going to hook this spring. Okay, everything looks fine there. Then we slide this back on. Seems to be working fine. Okay, now let's slide this back together. Okay, everything in reverse. The spring clip holds it on. That's on. Need our spacer. Need the mechanism there. Okay, the E-clip will go on this way, right from this side. There. It's on, everything's held. Now to rekey, you turn this, insert your key, turn it 90 degrees, push this in, pull the key out, insert the new key, different key, pull it out. That one works. Doesn't work. Rekey it to the yellow. 90 degree. Insert that. Pull the key out. Insert the yellow key. Yellow key works. White key doesn't work. Rekeying is very easy. Okay, that's for when you have a lock that doesn't have a key, like I had a couple of them. I rekeyed them this way, and now it's good as new and it has a key. Works. Thanks for watching, my friends. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.